Welcome to the Fitness Industry News, brought to you weekly by Australasian Leisure Management. I'm your host, Chantal Brodrick. Here are the top stories making headlines for Wednesday, August 19, 2026. Les Mills International welcomes Jason Paris as its new Chief Executive. AUSactive puts forward a proposal for a national GP to gym referral program. World Gym expands into the ACT with its new Belconnen club. Fitness Passport's Chief Executive looks at employee participation in workplace fitness programs. Your Reformer launches InstructorPro globally. Anytime Fitness and AusTriathlon join forces to inspire more Australians to move. CityFitness is set to open a new club in Timaru. And the countdown is on to the 2026 Fuel Sydney Business Summit. All of those stories and more coming up in today's show. This week's episode is thanks to Lunar Reformer by Mundo, a new reformer from HF Industries designed to meet the needs of both commercial studios and home users. The Lunar Reformer delivers an exceptionally smooth, whisper-quiet carriage ride. Visit hf.com.au/lunar to find out more. Les Mills International has appointed Jason Paris as its new Chief Executive, with current Managing Director Philip Mills moving into a Founder-Director role. Paris brings extensive leadership experience across telecommunications, digital services and media, having led major transformations including One New Zealand's rebrand from Vodafone New Zealand and Telecom's transition to Spark. The appointment marks a planned leadership succession following Mills' 3 years leading the business through strategic and organisational development, strengthening operations, financial performance and its leadership team. AUSactive has revealed a proposal for Australians to be formally referred into tailored exercise programs under a new national GP to gym model designed to combat the nation's $98 billion a year chronic disease crisis. The proposal is part of a white paper unveiled at Parliament House in Canberra last week at the 2026 Active Australia Summit. It tackles conditions including diabetes, heart disease, obesity, depression, cancer, dementia, frailty and GLP-1 weight loss medications. Under AUSactive's model, health professionals could refer patients into accredited evidence-based group exercise programs with their attendance and their progress reported back. Fitness Passport Chief Executive Fiona Rose says employer-supported fitness programs could significantly boost exercise participation, with some partner organisations seeing engagement approaching 40% of employees and their families. Members also made more than 24 million visits to participating facilities in 2025. Rose says that this compares with an estimated 13 to 15% of Australians who regularly attend gyms, suggesting affordable, flexible access to multiple facilities could drive much higher participation. Fitness sales and communication specialist Steve Jensen is urging health clubs and studios to rethink how they respond to membership inquiries, arguing that the quality of the initial conversation can be more important than price when converting prospects. With consumers facing more choice and greater exposure to advertising, Jensen says that generic sales approaches are becoming less effective. He'll be sharing his insights at the next Sales Authority Club quarterly workshop on Friday, the 28th of August, focusing on how fitness businesses can better qualify prospective members. Global fitness brand World Gym will open its first ACT club later this month, bringing its signature strength-focused training experience and premium recovery facilities to Canberra for the very first time. Designed for everyone from first-time gym goers through to experienced strength athletes, World Gym Belconnen combines advanced training equipment, dedicated recovery amenities, and 24-hour access in one premium fitness destination. Anytime Fitness has partnered with AusTriathlon to inspire more Australians to embrace movement, achieve their goals and enjoy lifelong health. The partnership will focus on participation, education and community engagement, giving AusTriathlon members opportunities to enhance their training and well-being, while encouraging Anytime Fitness members to experience the challenge and achievement of triathlon. Fuel Sydney 2026, taking place on the 26th of August at Barangaroo, will bring together fitness, health and wellness leaders to explore shifting consumer expectations, leadership, innovation, women's health and the future of the industry. With consumers increasingly valuing connection, belonging and personalised experiences, the event will explore why industry success can no longer be measured simply by memberships, facilities or class numbers. Your reformer has officially launched InstructorPro, a new platform designed to help Pilates studios scale while maintaining consistency and quality of instruction. The platform provides instructors with ready-made programming, modifications and progressions, an extensive exercise library, and drag-and-drop class building. For studios, InstructorPro offers a way to reduce programming time, support instructors, and create a more consistent class experience across the team. The fitness scene in Timaru, located on the eastern coast of the South Island of New Zealand, is about to get a significant boost, with CityFitness officially opening its new Timaru club on the 7th of September, bringing more choice, more space, and some of the latest fitness and recovery experiences to the region. The Timaru Club, opening on Church Street, marks another milestone in the company's continued investment in making fitness more accessible for New Zealanders. Indoor cycling training provider A State of Ride has been approved by AUSactive as a group exercise leader training provider, establishing a new pathway into nationally recognised registration for indoor cycling instructors. The approval means A State of Ride's Ride Indoor Cycle Training Program is now an eligible pathway towards AusActive Group Exercise Leader registration, providing prospective instructors with an entry point into group exercise instruction focused specifically on indoor cycling. A quick message now from our friends at the Oz Fitness Industry Trade Show and Summit. Join the industry in Sydney on the 11th and 12th of September 2026 at ICC Sydney. Visit ozfitnessindustry.com.au to secure your pass. New South Wales Parliament House recently hosted Connecting for Wellbeing, the Future of Social Prescribing, exploring how connecting people with community activities, culture, sport and volunteering can strengthen wellbeing alongside clinical care. The event, hosted by the Mental Health Commission of New South Wales and Aspire, brought together health, government and research leaders to examine their growing evidence for social prescribing and its potential role in New South Wales' future mental health and wellbeing strategy. Explore's Mariana Tech boutique fitness management platform has built out a dedicated Australian customer success and implementation team, an investment as the business continues to grow in the local market. Led by Taylor Mage, Regional Director ANZ, who's spent over 20 years in the fitness industry and almost 13 years at Explore, the team is responsible for making sure Australian studios get appropriate support and onboarding experience. Research commissioned by the New South Wales Government into women's running habits reveals that 95% of women say that their sense of safety influences when and how they run. To help women feel safer and more confident running in their local area, the New South Wales Government is encouraging local sporting organisations and clubs to apply for the new Run My Way grant program to help deliver innovative programs and initiatives that help participants feel safer, more confident and more connected when running in their communities. Technology platform Jetty has launched a new data intelligence platform for gyms, fitness studios and other membership businesses, designed to help operators identify members at risk of cancelling before they leave. Described as an intelligence layer, Jetty brings together data from existing membership, attendance, check-in and billing systems to provide operators with a consolidated view of member behaviour and identify changes that could indicate potential churn. The platform has been developed to address the fragmentation of data across fitness businesses where information can be spread between CRM and membership management platforms, payment processors, attendance systems, exported reports and spreadsheets. This week in People News, eVault has appointed Nick Trosco as its new Chief Revenue Officer, bringing nearly 2 decades of experience across health, fitness and technology. As eVault's first executive leader based in North America, Trosco will oversee sales, marketing, customer success and distribution as the company continues its global expansion. Thank you for joining me for this week's episode of the Fitness Industry News, which is proudly supported by AusActive and Exercise New Zealand. To read the full stories featured today, visit ozleisure.com.au. You can also listen and subscribe on Spotify, Apple Podcasts and YouTube. Just search Fitness Industry News and hit follow or subscribe. If you've got industry news to share or if you'd like to comment on any of today's stories, we would love to hear from you. Just leave a comment below or email us at leisure@ozleisure.com.au. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next week.